It's always been a competition with myself. Can I be better? How can I be faster? How can I be more effective and more efficient? And that's really where my drive has come from. And actually, I think the determination probably comes from just the life experiences I've had. I had a life-changing experience when I was 20 years old, and I fell off a mountain and broke my neck and pelvis. And that really gave me a different perspective of how to look on life. I think when someone tells you just be happy to walk again, you kind of sit there and go, no, I'm not happy just to walk, I want to run. I realised what it takes to really want something. And for me, it was a sort of personal, well, why not? And that's how I kind of live my life. Since that accident, I managed to compete for Great Britain in canoeing and kayaking. I've medalled internationally and a 5 times European champion. And I think my greatest achievement to date is actually crossing the Atlantic in a totally unsupported 5-women crew. The main driver now is really trying to inspire other people. I've seen so many people who have been stopped or feel that they can't do something. I want my kind of story and my experiences to help others. I'd done a lot in my athletic career, so I was looking for a new challenge, and I wanted to start pushing my professional career. I've now been working at Land Rover for 6 years. I run a team which looks at the safety and crash analysis of the vehicles. For me, the big thing is protecting the people inside the car, and it's actually a real privilege to be a part of working for that. All the engineers work really hard to produce something that is world renowned now, and that's something that they can be really proud of.